afternoon, students. Today we are going to do the questions from exercise 13.7. Question number 6. The volume of right circular cone is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is 28 centimeter, find height of the cone, slant height of the cone, and curved surface area of the cone. Now in the question we have the diameter is given 28 centimeters, so radius will become 28 upon 2, that is equals to 14 centimeter. Volume of cone is 9856. Volume of cone is 9856 centimeter cube. So volume of cone, we know the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equals to 9856 centimeter cube. Now radius is 40. So 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into radius, that is 14 into 14 into h is equals to 9856. This will cancel. This will make it 2. So height will be equals to 9856. Cross multiply this here, make it 3. Then 22 into 2 into 14. Now when we will solve this height, it will be 48 centimeter. After cancelling this, this will become 48 centimeter. Now we have to find the slant height, that is given by the formula L is equals to h square plus r square. So h is 48 that we have calculated, 48 square plus r square, radius is 14 square, that will be equals to 48 square is 2304 plus 14 square is 196. When we will add, this will become 2500, that will be equals to 50 centimeter. The root of 2500 is 50 centimeter. Now we have to find one more thing, that is the curved surface area of cone. So we will find it here, curved surface area of cone, and that is given by the formula pi r L. Now pi is 22 upon 7, r radius is 14, and slant height we have calculated, that is 50 centimeter. So 2 50 into 200, 100 into 22, that will make it 2200 centimeter square. So the curved surface area is of the cone is 2200 centimeter square. Now we will be doing the question number 7 and 8. Both are of similar kind. A right triangle ABC with side 5 cm, 12 cm and 13 cm is revolved about the side 12 cm. Find the volume of the solid so formed. As we have seen in the video earlier, that if we rotate this triangle, a right angle triangle, very fast, we will find a shape that will be having a cone, and this will become like this. So the solid so formed is cone, so we have to find the volume of the cone. So it is revolved around the side 12 centimeters, so the height will become 12 centimeter, and radius of the base will become 5 centimeter. And now we have to find the volume of cone. So volume of cone will be, we know the formula, that is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h, that is 1 upon 3 pi r is 5, so it is 5 into 5 into h is 12. We are getting this answer in terms of pi only. So we will cancel this, this will make it 4, 5 5 is 25, 4 is 100 pi centimeter cube. Now in the question number 8, if the triangle ABC is revolved around the side 5 centimeter, that means this is revolved around the 5 centimeter. So this is 5 centimeter and this is 12 centimeter and the hypotenuse is 13 centimeter. This is a right angle triangle, So if it is given in the question number 8 that if it is revolve around the side 5 centimeter. So it will become like this, and this will become, cone will be like this. So here the height will become 5 centimeter and the radius will become 12 centimeter. Now the volume of the cone here will be equals to, the volume of cone will be equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So it becomes 1 upon 3 pi into r square. R is this time is 12 centimeter. 12 into 12 into height is 5 centimeter. So we'll cancel this. 4 12s are 48. 48 5s are 240 centimeter. 240 pi centimeter cube. Here we are getting the answer 100 pi centimeter cube, and here we are getting the volume of the cone 240 pi centimeter cube. And in the question they have also asked the ratio of the volume of the two solids obtained in the question number 7 and question number 8. This is question number 7, this is question number 8. So in this we have to find the ratio of these two volumes. So ratio of volume of cone in the question number 7 and question number 8. So the ratio of volume of cones will be equals to 100 pi centimeter cube in the case of 7th question, and in the 8th question it is 240 pi centimeter cube. This pi will cancel, 0 will cancel with this, so it will cancel, that become 5 and this will become 12. So it becomes 5 upon 12, or you can write it as 5 ratio 12. So the ratio of the volume found by these two in the question number 7 and 8 is 5:12. Now let us solve the question number 9 of exercise 13.7. A heap of feed is in the form of a cone whose diameter is 10.5 meter and height is 3 meter. Find its volume. The heap is to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. Find the area of the canvas required. Now the wheat, they have collected, the wheat collected by the farmer is in the shape of a conical heap, like this it is. It is the wheat here, so it is in the form of conical heap. So it is the form of conical heap. So in this, the radius, diameter is 10.5 meter. So radius will become 10.5 upon 2, that is 5.25 meter, and height is 3 meter. And we have to find the volume of the conical heap. So we will find the volume of conical heap, that is given by the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So it is 1 upon 3 into 22 upon 7 into r is 5.25 into 5.25 into height is 3. So this 3 will cancel with this 3, and 7, if we divide this 5.25 by 7, we'll get 0.75. So 22 into 0.75 into 5.25, when we will solve this, we'll get 86.625 meter cube. So the volume of conical heap is 86.625 meter cube. Now the second part of the question is that it has to be covered by canvas to protect it from rain. So we have to protect it from rain, so it has to be covered by the conical cone that is having a weight of the canvas, and we have to find the area of canvas required. For that, area of canvas required is equals to pi RL. So pi RL, L means slant height. We have to first find the slant height. So we'll find the slant height by the formula s square plus r square. H is 3 square plus 3 square plus r. R square is 5.25 square. 3 square is 9, and 5.25. If we do the square of 5.25, then we'll get the answer that is equals to 27.5625. When we'll add this, we'll get 36.5625, and when we'll further solve it, the square root of 36.5625 that we have done earlier in the 8th class, then that will get the answer, that is equals to approximately 6.05 meter. So the slant height of the conical heap is 6.05 meter, and now we have to find the area of canvas. So area of canvas required will be equals to the curved surface area of the conical heap. Curved surface area of conical heap, and we know the curved surface area of the cone, that is given by the formula pi r L. Pi is 22/7, r radius is 5.25 meter, 5.25 meter into L. L we have calculated, that is 6.05. So we can, with 5.25 divided by 7, it will become, this is 5.25 divided by 7, that make it 0.75. So now when we'll solve it, it is 22 into 0.75 into 6.05. So when we multiply, we'll get the answer 99.825 meters square. So the volume of the conical heap is 86.625 meter cube, and the area of canvas required to protect it from rain is 99.825 meters square.